Hello everyone, today we are going to walk you through the process of accessing your Alphera Finance account on your Windows PC or laptop. Before we begin, make sure you have already set up your Alphera Finance account. Firstly, open your preferred search engine and type in Alphera Finance login in the URL box. Then hit search. You will see several links. Look for the one that says My Alphera Finance and click on it. This will take you to the official login page of Alphera Finance. Once the page loads, you will need to accept all the cookies. This is just to confirm that you are aware of the company's data collection policy. Next, you will see the option to enter login or register, and click on it. Enter the email address you used to create your account and click continue. Then, put your account password and hit the login button. And there you have it. That's how you log into your Alphera Finance account. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.